Here is the kitchen. This is day 3 of our stay. It's Monday and we came on Saturday, and we noticed that, oops, where is the freezer? That cupboard is empty. We are paying for a freezer, but there is no one. We also have very big problems with our fridge. We can show the temperature. Right now it's, let's see, well, about 19 degrees in the fridge. And we have, well, it's on, as you can see. So we told the property owner the first day we came here that this one is broken, and still day 3 at the evening, 6 o'clock, nothing has happened. This is the ham we had bought this morning. It has been in the fridge for the whole day, so it should be fresh, but it smells like, well, worse than dog food, I would say. So 3 days without a fridge means that we have thrown away a lot of food because we can't store it anyway. And unfortunately the freezer isn't there either. So we are not that happy with the kitchen nor the internet Wi-Fi here.